Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will discuss that how we can create social media videos. For example, video for your Facebook, video message, mobile video, video collage, YouTube videos, feed ad videos. We click on one of the videos and all the videos are created in the similar way. So when you learn to create a video, you can create all kind of videos. So you click on YouTube videos, click on it. Here when you open up a video, here this is the YouTube video. When you click on this one, this is another video. Customize this template, click on it. So you can add voice, your own voice, the voice of audios available in the computer. First of all, I want to add a voice from my PC, so go to the audios and click a voice and place it into the video in this way. Drag it down to the video, it will be added to the videos. So can you click on it? When you click on it in this way, it will generate a video with the voice. This is the video that you have created with the sound. Now if you want to put your own voice, you can also add your own voice or voiceover. Go to uploads, click on upload, click on record yourself, and here you need to click on record. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? What's going on? Click to now it is starting now. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? What's going on? And when your voice is completed, click on done. So save and exit. So this voice is recorded and added into your video. Now you can check it out. Later videos will come up. Now it is starting now. Here you can see now it is starting now. Hello, how are you? In this way you can create video. Now it is starting now. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? What's going on? And when your voice is completed, click on done. So this is the way to create a social media video. And I now click to the other videos and show you the way that how the other videos are similar with this kind of video. Click on Facebook video. These are the similar videos. When you want to create a Facebook video, take one of the video and you can insert voice and voiceover both. And video message, when you click on it, then you can also take a video message out of these different kinds of video templates and change it according to your choice. Mobile video, you can take a video out of it and record your own voice or use a sound to create videos of different kinds. Mobile videos, video collage. Here you can see that different kinds of videos are added in the similar frame, in the same frame. So when you use video collage, you can use different videos in the same frame. For example, I am opening a video to show you the way. There are different kind of videos. 1 2 3 4 5 videos, and when you run it, these all videos you can replace it. When you click on it, you can delete it, and you can add videos of your own choice. For example, if you want to have your image, you can add here. If you want to have the other image, you can add it here. And in the similar way, when it runs, it will show you the different kinds of images and videos running in a similar running in the same frame. Here you can see that different kinds of videos. If you have different videos in the short forms, you can add up here and see all the videos in the same frame. This is a very important feature, especially on social media, Facebook, Instagram. These are the mostly used features. YouTube videos, where we have already discussed it. Feed add videos, portrait. Different kinds of feed add videos are available here. You can choose different kinds of videos according to your choice, according to your category. For example, I want to click on it and customize this template. This is the dark forest travel video, and you can play this video. When you click on it, you can see that this video is playing. You can change its text, its color, even its background, everything in the similar fashion as we have discussed in the previous videos. So I think you may have learned many things new in this Canva software. So different kinds of videos are available. You can create a video of your own choice. Thank you so much for watching this video.